Hello everybody, I left Bouncy at home, so there's my hand. We are at Lee Miles Transmissions and Auto Care in Exeter Township, PA. I'm not sure what the exact town is. Anyway, I filmed this car wash like almost 5 years ago. But that was back when I had my flip phone. First of all, let's see if this thing is even working. Yes, it is. $8 for the ultimate. Alright then. You want to hold the camera while I pay? Yep. Don't pause it though. I'm paying in cash this time. I filmed this car wash, like I said, I filmed this car wash almost 5 years ago. Oh yeah. Forgot my $10 bill was in my pocket. Select the wash ultimate for $8.
Please add payment for your selection.
It's a cheap wash. Am I putting it in right?
You have purchased the ultimate wash, our best wash. Please observe the sign, pull straight into the car wash until the stoplight illuminates. Thank you. The wash is now ready. Please observe the sign, pull straight into the car wash until the stoplight illuminates. Thank you.
Alrighty. Here we go. We're going in. Oh, we're gonna need the wipers. This is an old Laserwash 4000. This seems much older than the one we were at in Whitehall.
One sec.
Well, I'll take the camera. It's very watery pre-soak. Unless it gives a thicker pre-soak next round, the next round. It's very watery. More pre-soak. This looks thicker. Maybe not. Yep, this one's thicker. This coating's thicker. Ugh. Let's watch it go in the rear view mirror. Can't really see anything. This should take care of all the dirt. There's triple foam leaking out of the machine. It's clogged, isn't it? Okay, move. All right, Aaron. Thought it wasn't gonna move for a second. That was a pointless rinse. Now this is more like it. Only doing a single pass on the front. Spot-free rinse already. I guess we got that wax in the high pressure rinse. Yeah, I guess it was giving it to us high pressure. This machine's probably pretty old. And I'm excited to see what the dryer does. I know what the dryer does. I should get a dryer. Yep. The machine hooks up to the dryer. What? Oh. It used to work. It used to hitch up to the dryer and pull it. But it doesn't do that anymore. That will be it. Thanks for watching.